guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo Chef, and today I want to talk to you about making a healthy beverage at home. It's really easy. If you're familiar with this brand, they make a lot of different kinds, but my favorite one they make is one they call Blue Machine. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own. Everything you need is right here. I'm going to use a banana, a lemon, some fresh blueberries, frozen blackberries. You could use fresh if you'd rather, but I think the frozen ones work out better. And pure apple juice. And of course I need a scale and a blender. That's it. Let's do it. I'm going to start with a half of a banana and just add that to my blender. Now I've got this Ninja blender system. If you have any good blender you can do this with, Vitamix or whatever, just it needs to be a pretty good blender that has a smoothie function to make this work right. I'm going to cut this lemon in half, use a strainer so I'm not getting the seeds, and juice half a lemon. We're going to need about 3 to 4 ounces of blackberries. There's 3.6, that'll work. I'm going to need about 5 to 6 ounces of fresh blueberries. I got just about 6.5 left in this container. So take a few of those out. You need 1 cup of apple juice. That's all that goes in this. We're going to go ahead and put the top on and put it into the blender and blend it smooth for probably about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, it's ready. You can drink it straight out of this container, but if you want it really smooth, you don't want to drink the seeds, all you need to do is run it through a strainer into a glass. It's healthy. It's really good. Enjoy, and I'll see you on the next one. Remember, eat fabulous.